To deliver power, transmission and distribution operators must contend with tough terrain, heavy vegetation, and urban factors such as residue from chimneys. INDRA's deep learning neural analytics engine automates your inspection cycle from inception to execution. Automate drone flights and position of data capture, including BVLOS flights for payloads including RGB, thermal vision, and LiDAR. With INDRA AI, detect faults in real time and create 3D orthophotos. Asset owners can view structural degradation with predefined algorithms. View percentage of completion and asset quality reports with automated ERP integration. Once a base model is created for the structure, INDRA detects members lost to theft, structural failure, or inclement weather. INDRA also identifies external objects such as bird nests or individual components such as ground bonds, dampers, and damages to these components. With a pre-programmed flight along the conductor, INDRA identifies conductor damage such as splicing. Accurate 3D point clouds create conductor vectors, calculating indicators such as conductor sagging. Line inspectors can accurately identify and measure vegetation risk to reduce downtime. Perform storm simulations and analyze response processes. Simulate for failures during cyclones, floods, and earthquakes to create robust preventive processes. Simulate and analyze conductor sway and torsion for preventive remediation measures. Generate accurate simulations based on a variety of external stimuli. View and assess storm damage with real-time video streaming using the INDRA platform. With INDRA, you will reduce downtime, increase enterprise efficiency, and improve your enterprise profits with state-of-the-art artificial intelligence and data security.